Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the date format on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open settings on your iPhone, then you have to scroll down and tap onto general. Then you have to search for language and region. You have to select this option, then find the date format option on your iPhone. Like you can see this date format, just you have to tap on this icon and choose your preferred format like date month to year or month date to year as you want to customize it, and that's it. Now you have to save and apply changes, like you just have to go back and it will be saved. That's it. If this video is helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.